Good morning, everybody. This is Joseph Cusick, Vice President of Wealth and Asset Management from MoneyBlock.com with your Traders Exclusive. Well, stocks were hit with selling pressure on Thursday, and it continues this Friday morning with the S&Ps off about 8 points as I'm doing this video. Now, the Russell 2000 has been leading the way down. It had about a 1.1% decline yesterday, and that has been putting pressure. These small caps, domestically centric stocks have been under pressure. Now, all of the other, what I call actively or active trading or offensive sectors were down yesterday. The only one that was off of its lows was the energy sector. If you look at the equal weight energy ETF, you can see that it was up. And as a matter of fact, you saw some activity, some interesting activity in not a well-known Terraform Power. They have earnings coming up on 8/6. There was about 2,900 of the September $30 puts that traded for about $1.50 in front of earnings. They're expiring in September. That was an interesting play, especially since that's a month after the expiration, is a month after the earnings. So with energy popping up here, there might be some protection being bought in some names there. Utilities, materials, and industrials have been leading the way so far as weakness. So further weakness in these sectors is going to weigh down on the general markets. One sector that is not really weighed down right now is tech sector. Technology, specifically networking, security, cybersecurity, and semiconductors have been on the move. As a matter of fact, this morning after the Amazon earnings were announced, where they actually announced great earnings as well as they were running a profit for the first time that anyone has ever seen reported since they've been in existence. There was a 50 lot of the August 21st 450 calls. They traded $125. That was an interesting trade because that's notionally worth about $2.2 million if exercised. And it looks like after the stock has run on the open at $75, that investors are looking to take smaller risk as far as premium that they're putting out there. That trade there alone was $625,000 in risk. Notional $2.2 million. So it looks like buying in the money options, especially since volatility is low, is how traders are looking to start to participate in names like Amazon or continue to participate. There was also some bullish activity in Xerox. Xerox came out. They actually beat on earnings, but they gave somewhat of a downtrodden outlook going forward. The August 21st $11 calls traded for 39 cents, about 6,700 times. Want to keep on an eye on that. That's a bullish play to the upside. We'll see if what the paper's thinking after the activity today. There was also some bullish activity finally in Cisco, big tech name. The August $30 calls, they expire on the 7th of August. These traded 2 cents. This is a lottery ticket, folks, so it has a very low probability of potentially happening, but this is in front of earnings that are estimated to be out on August 12th. So we'll see if this strategist is setting up for a robust earnings announcement from Cisco going into the August cycle. Well, folks, that is it for me today. This Friday, this is Joe Cusick, Vice President of Wealth and Asset Management at MoneyBlock.com with your Traders Exclusive. Have a great weekend.